How to get unlimited energy in Travel Town. So, first up, you got to open your app. And once you do that, we're going to figure out how you can get more energy. And there are a few ways to do that. One of them is embarking on exciting events. You can get rewarded with energy from daily challenges, mini games, town chase events, travel mission events, the race, and more, as you can see here. You can also trade in diamonds that you've been stashing away. You can use them to buy energy in your store. Another way of generating energy is watching ads. You can watch up to 4 ads every day and get compensated with energy, and this renews every single day. And finally, you can join the Travel Town social media on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok so you can get more updates and special offers. I'll link all of them in the description. Always make sure you're following official links to avoid scams and unofficial groups. And that is how you get energy in Travel Town.